89.5 My Subic Bay Radio. You just heard the requested song from Sam Smith. That one's called Stay With Me. And just before that one was the Christmas song of the hour, Stacey Arico with the Christmas Wish. And that song was brought to you by Subisa Lounge, Baloy Beach, the first and only chill club place within Subic Bay to offer beach house music using the latest in sounds and lighting technology. Subisa Lounge, Baloy Beach, soon to open at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel. Check the time, people. It's now 10:44 in the morning. Time check brought to you by PLDT Subictel's iGate, a dedicated premium internet access service that provides businesses with high-speed, diverse, reliable, and managed connectivity to the global internet. Contact PLDT Subictel Sales Group at 252-2375 or email sales@subictel.ph. Welcome back, people. This is still the Morning Brew, and you're jamming with me, DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Okay, so we have two beautiful ladies here at the station right now. Ayan. All right, and they are here to talk about something that's really important. And let me introduce to you first up. Here's the one of our regular Suki na, here at the station for the Morning Brew radio program. Please welcome Dr. Eve. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning and good morning to all the listeners of
Yeah.
89.5. We're back again
All right.
for our public health information.
Yeah, this
for
actually,
month.
I'm sorry for cutting you. This is actually a regular thing for
Yes.
the Olongapo City Medical Society naman eh.
Opo.
Yeah.
So maraming salamat sa 89.5 for
Pleasure
giving
is
us
ours.
this opportunity.
Would you like to introduce the beautiful lady next to you?
Okay.
All right.
This morning, we're with Dr. Arl Ann Mendoza Manso, who is a gastroenterologist who will share her expertise about the topic a very meaningful topic for September, and
All
that's
right.
liver cancer.
September is like liver cancer.
It's Liver Cancer
Month?
Awareness Month.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
But our topic this morning, kumbaga, related din siya to liver cancer.
Which is?
Which is Hepa B.
It's sort of
magandang
like the first
topic
stage,
din
am
to.
I right? First stage before,
Hindi naman,
not
hindi
necessarily.
naman. But it could be a part of complication.
All right. So that's why we're going to talk about it for this edition of the Olongapo City Medical Society's program segment here on the Morning
Yes.
Brew. All right. Okay, take it away.
Okay. Yes, Dr. Arl.
Good morning po, and good morning to all the listeners of 89.5.
Good morning, ma'am.
Husky pa yung boses ni Dr. Arl.
Pwedeng DJ.
Pwedeng
actually,
DJ.
Pang bedroom boys and yeah. All right.
Okay.
Okay, Dr. Arl, kindly give us a clear understanding of what Hepa B is.
Ang hepatitis B kasi, as you mentioned, it's the common misconception is this is something very terminal. When our patients become diagnosed with hepatitis B, nasasabihan sila na wala na tong lunas,
All right.
natatakot sila. There's actually hope at the end of the tunnel. But before we think of the positive, we have to inform our viewers ang
All right.
importansya ng Hepa B.
Yeah,
Marami
definitely.
pong Filipinos na ang may hepatitis B.
Oh.
And this is so related to our Liver Cancer Awareness Month because hepatitis B complicates into liver cancer.
Okay. So,
Kasi yung virus, meron siyang direct na carcinogenic effect. So kumbaga, hepatitis B infected people, may risk na sila for liver cancer.
oh, I see. Okay.
And then it also puts you at risk dun sa sakit na tinatawag na liver cirrhosis.
Liver
And
cirrhosis.
patients with liver cirrhosis are at risk to develop liver cancer.
Liver cancer.
So, kumbaga kung may hepatitis B ka, double whammy na.
So,
Kaya awareness talaga.
If you have liver cirrhosis, it's worse than hepatitis, am I
Oo.
right? Or it's
Opo.
one and the same, but lang naman.
Hepatitis kasi is simply a term for inflammation na mamagang atay.
Okay.
Na yun, yung hepatitis B po ay isa siyang infectious kind of hepatitis.
Sa viral.
Viral hepatitis.
So, ang cause, doktora, ng Hepa B is
Blood.
Virus siya.
It's
no?
a
Viral.
blood.
It's a bloodborne.
Yes,
bloodborne
transmitted
disease.
through the blood. At sa atin pong mga Pilipino, ang most common route is the maternal-fetal transmission.
Oh, okay.
So, na yun lang po kasi nagkakaroon ang widespread awareness sa mga tao. So, it is only recently na nabavaccinate yung mga newborn with Hep B. So, may mga mothers, kasi ang Hep B, ang chronic Hep B, walang symptoms yan eh. Na nakikita lang sa laboratory, usually pre-employment, or yung mga mas
Screening.
kawawang pasyente.
Yeah.
Nagtataka sila ba't sila namamanas, naninilaw. And then, kumbaga in retrospect, nawo-work up. Kaya pala may liver cirrhosis kasi may Hep
Hepa
B.
B na siya. Matagal na pala siyang
Opo.
meron.
Kasi ang Hep B po per se, lalo na yung chronic form, wala pong symptoms.
Walang symptoms.
Hindi mo alam na meron ka na
Hindi
pala
mo alam na
noon.
meron ka pala.
That is why you need to be tested. pa
That
rin
is
talaga.
why you need to be tested.
Di ba merong annual physical exam or,
May
mga screening
twice a
test.
year
Yes, swerte po
sometimes?
yung mga for pre-employment kasi incorporated ito usually sa test na detect habang maaga. So rather than thinking na bakit nalaman pa na nagka-Hep B ako,
Be thankful it
be
was
thankful na
found.
na-diagnose.
Yeah, because di ba as you said earlier, hindi ka dapat matakot agad if you're
Yes.
found to be positive for a Hep B dahil hindi pa naman end of the world kagad pag you have a Hep B. Oh my god. Hindi pa naman.
It is
May cure pa.
treatable. Yes, it is curable.
Meds, am I
Very
right?
much. Yes.
Hindi naman necessarily surgery agad
No,
or hindi pa naman.
medication po.
Yeah, medication pa lang sa Hep B. Susundin mo lang yung prescribed medication. So
may
it's curable.
monitoring. May
Tsaka,
monitoring kasi din yan. Ano,
opo.
para ano po.
Masipag magpa-check up. Tsaka hindi dapat natin katakutan sila.
Ay, iba kasi parang may stigma eh, no, doktor?
Lalayuan kayo, no? Eh, may hepa ka! Stay away from me.
Hindi na
Ganun,
ilalayo
hindi
yung
naman.
mga kubyertos. That's a different kind of hepatitis. Although there is a hepatitis na nakahawa sa laway, but it's not B.
Yeah, which
B is bloodborne.
I want to ask, how many types of HEPA ba?
Ay,
Kasi
madami
there's
po.
B, di ba? So most probably there's A,
May
there's
A,
C.
may B, may C, may D.
Hanggang ilan po yan?
Madami na po, may mga bago pang nadidiscover. But,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Tapos hanggang sa yan, no?
pero sa atin
May mga
naman,
na-discover pang...
Oo, sa atin naman sa setting natin bilang mga Pilipino, ang mas na-encounter natin is the A and the B. But there are
A and
already
B.
some cases of C in our country.
Now, the higher we go to the alphabets, is it mas malala?
Hindi naman.
That's the case? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Classification lang
Sa
talaga siya.
pinapangalanan lang.
Yeah, just for identification.
Yes.
What kind of HEPA do you have? A, B, C, D.
Ganon.
Tsaka ang doktora,
Sounds fun, huh?
As if you're understanding yung difference ng Hepa A at saka nung B, kasi akala nila pag sinabing Hepa B, parang kapareho na rin ng
Ay,
Hepa A.
hindi po. Hindi po.
Pag B, hindi.
Actually, ang A ang mas benign.
Aha, mas
Kasi
benign.
wala itong chronic form. Halimbawa, nagka-hepa A ka nung kabataan mo at gumaling ka na, it stops there.
Aha.
So, there's no such thing as, chronic hepa A, habang buhay ka nang nakakahawa sa hepa A.
Tsaka saan po
No
doktora
such thing.
nakukuha yun? Mode
Ito
of
po ang
transmission ng Hepa A?
nakukuha sa contaminated food and drink. This is the fecal-oral route.
Fecal oral
Oh!
siya.
So, kung mahilig tayong
Fecal oral
fish
route.
balls,
Aha.
isaw. Sorry sa mga nag
Yan yung A, ha?
Yun yung
Yan
A.
yung A.
Yun
Ayan.
yung
So,
A.
don't play with your...
Yes, you should be very...
Flush it right away.
Sanitation, hygiene.
Hygiene,
Yan.
proper
Good
hand
hygiene.
washing, mga food handlers, so dapat
Kaya
ano
po, ito
sila.
yung mga hepatitis na nagkaka-epidemic. Na halimbawa sa isang school, maraming bata yung nagkakasakit ng Hepa A kasi nga, it's fecal oral transmission. Pero once na gumaling ka na, yun na yun. Eh yung B, yun yung medyo matagal. It has a chronic form. That's why it puts you at risk for liver cancer.
Kaya pala pinag-iingat din tayo sa mga junk foods, ano? And dahil, nakakakuha dyan, right? Am I right?
Yung mga street foods.
Kung hindi...
For Hepa
Oh,
A.
I'm sorry, street food. That's
Street
what I mean.
foods.
Street foods na hindi na...
Hepatitis A,
Yeah.
typhoid.
Minsan naka-expose lang yan sa daanan.
Tsaka
diba?
yung mga na, galing na sa bibig ng iba, sa sausaw.
Yeah,
yung mga
yeah,
ganong
right.
tipo. Ayun.
Okay.
Compared, doktora, sa Hepa B, ang ibang mode of transmission niya aside
Yes,
from maternal fetal pa.
Unsafe needles. Yun. So, yung mga nagpapatattoo tayo na we're not sure if the needle is sterile. Those who use
Or
illicit
contaminated,
drugs,
illicit drugs.
pasa-pasa ng drugs, ganyan. Mga piercings na hindi safe yung pangbutas, mga
Okay.
pa-pedicure, manicure na masusugat
yan
ka.
ngayon, oo.
Mga anything na pwede pong ma-taint ng infected blood,
Alright.
doon tayo pwedeng mahawa.
Now, these are interesting facts. Those who listen regularly, you probably guys know the cell phone number that we're using for this radio program. But then again, I'm gonna repeat the numbers
Sorry.
for those. No, it's okay. For those who wanna ask questions regarding hepatitis, liver concerns.
Yes.
All right. Text me up now 0909-263-0840, 0917-648-2772. Ayan po yung mga numero. Kung may katanungan kayo about all about liver, hepatitis, cirrhosis, I think fatty liver is also.
Yes.
Is it teka, I'll go back to that question. The numbers muna again, 0909-263-0840, 0917-648-2772. You guys can even call 252-8905 kung gusto nyo pong tanungin etong dalawang guest doctors natin dito right now. This is the OCMS segment of this radio show, The Morning Brew, right here on 895 My Subic Bay Radio. Ayan, going back dun sa sinabi ko kanina, iba pa yung ano no? Is it a totally different condition, yung
Yes.
fatty liver? Iba pa siya sa hepatitis, iba pa sa cirrhosis.
Diba?
Ah, okay.
Kasi when you talk of fatty liver, it is a form of injury to the liver.
Injury to the liver.
And then when you say cirrhosis, syempre di ba pag nasusugat po tayo, ang nangyayaring susunod pag nagkasugat ka, nagpeklat.
Peklat, yeah, yeah.
So, in translation, parang ganun po yung liver cirrhosis. Dahil ulit-ulit po yung injury, nagiging
Nagpepeklat,
peklat na yung atay.
Kaya nagiging
So,
cirrhosis na
nagiging
yon.
useless na siya, nagfe-fail siya, ganyan.
Ah.
Fatty liver is actually one of the earliest stages of liver injury.
Fatty liver.
So,
Now,
ang hepatitis po, pwedeng mag-convert or mag-develop into fatty liver later on. Pero other than hepatitis, pwede ding mag-cause ng fatty liver ang alcohol intake, excessive
Ayan.
fat sa diet.
Yung mga
Yan.
malakas
Tama,
uminom.
tama. Yan yung actually yan yung tinanong ng nag-text, kaya natanong ko rin yung fatty liver. Ano daw yung causes ng fatty liver? Eto na, i-enumerate sa inyo ni Doktora. Pakinggan niyo po
Kasi
maigi.
may alcoholic fatty liver disease, may non-alcoholic. So, syempre, alcoholic, as the name implies, related sa alak. Kasi
Yeah,
alam
yeah.
naman natin, toxic ang alak sa atay. So, yung mga hindi naman manginginom, they're not entirely safe from fatty liver.
Not
Kasi-
because you don't drink, sabihin mo safe ka na.
Yes, kasi the diet,
The diet, yeah.
Kinakain din natin.
kinakain, obesity,
Obesity is
Yes.
also a factor.
yes, yung tinatawag na metabolic syndrome.
Oh.
Hypertensive, diabetic, malaking waistline, obese patients. Kumbaga, yung liver effect nung sakit na ito ay fatty liver. Yun.
Oh, okay. Is it because the liver is not functioning right
It's
kapag
starting
fatty
to
liver?
get inflamed na.
Uh-huh.
Kasi you're not supposed to have fat in the liver eh. Pag nagkaka-fat na po yung atay, ibig sabihin, nai-injure siya. So, yun.
So for fatty liver, do we have like medicine for it or?
There is a way to reverse fatty liver. Kung fatty liver pa lang, pwede pa siyang bumalik sa normal. And now the only proven cure for fatty liver is weight loss.
Weight loss.
Oh, yan. Narinig nyo yan, ha? Weight loss.
So if you're diagnosed with fatty liver, same goes with diabetes daw eh. Sabi, if you're
malaking
diagnosed
bagay.
having the first stage of diabetes,
Weight loss.
malaking bagay yung mag-weight loss ka kagad.
Yung mga
Lahat ng mga
It might be reversed.
pre-diabetes,
Yeah.
Pwede pang maagapan.
hypertension, lahat parang ganun, eh.
Pre-hypertension,
Lifestyle,
pre-diabetic,
oo.
lifestyle. Tama po yun.
Lifestyle.
Kaya that's not one of my yan yung mga isa sa mga ayaw na ayaw ko na bagay the weight, yung magdagdag ng weight. I hate it when my weighing scale goes from 0 to 100 in just 1 second.
O, mas preferred nga po ng mga pasyente na,
Yeah.
Doktora, pwede bang gamot na lang?
Oh, yeah.
Kesa magpapayat.
Yeah. Kaysa mag hard work, mag
Of course, there are liver supplements, but these supplements just help.
supplements lang.
Hindi siya
Diet
talaga
pa
na.
rin dapat po sasabayan.
Nothing beats the direct cure
O,
talaga.
kasi mangyayari, mag-binge tayo, inom tayo, pulutan, tapos inom na lang tayo mamaya ng... Hindi, it doesn't work that way.
Parang yun ang prophylaxis
Ay,
nila, no?
oo.
Hindi ganun.
Sana,
Wow.
kaso hindi.
My cell phone's smoking with questions. Is it okay? Can I add some more? Ano raw ang pwedeng kainin para maging malinis ang liver?
Ah,
Yan.
Palinis?
Para mga siguro ibig niyang sabihin.
Maging healthy
Actually, yung
liver
words niya
nila.
kainin para malinis ang liver. Meron po bang foods na naglilinis ng liver or maybe foods to keep the liver healthy lang? Meron ganon.
Just keep yourself healthy in general. Eat
Okay.
healthy.
And
Para
lose weight.
Yes.
Do not be overweight.
Yes.
There
Cannot
is
be overweight. Yes.
There is an appropriate weight for every height eh. May
Yes,
chart yan
tama
eh.
po yun.
Plus yung body build mo kasama rin doon, mga factors ano.
Kaya they have to consider yung number of bottles of alcohol.
Yeah, alcohols and
Nila, alcohol intake
come closer to the
nila.
mic please. Yeah, yeah.
Yan.
Okay. All right.
Avoid ng mga bagay na pwedeng makasakit sa atay.
Eto, here's another one. Hi po mga doktora. May nakita akong chart ng cirrhosis compared to healthy liver. Bakit ang itim, sabi niya?
Eh di yun yun.
Ayun.
Kasi nga,
Oo.
pinaliwanag kanina ni
Sira na.
doktora is ano.
Mas doon sa picture na yan, makikita niya, doktora, mas makinis yung itsura nung
healthy liver.
ano, kaysa
Makinis.
compared sa
Sa cirrhosis na.
makintab.
Red.
Exactly the term she used kanina, mapeklat na yon kasi nga cirrhosis na nasugatan na. And, yeah.
Pag napeklat na, hindi na siya gagana ng tama.
And here's another one. Hi po, sa social media, ang daming videos ng liver cleansing na kung ano-anong pinaghalo na iinumin daw sa umaga. Proven po ba ang mga ito?
Wala pa po.
That's a
siya
good
na
question.
yun.
I saw that video then.
Yes, yes.
Apog ba? Am I right? Is included there? Apog yata. And then meron pa nga yung I don't know kung ano na yung hinalo nila eh. And then iinumin, maramihan. Kinuumagahan daw yung kung ano man yung impurities na nasa liver mo lalabas. Is that a proven thing?
Actually po, on the contrary, kami po sa society,
Uh-huh.
the gastroenterologists, the hepatologists, we often give words of caution to our patients kasi these herbal meds
Yeah.
pa can be injurious rather than helpful. Actually,
okay.
meron po kaming list ng mga delikadong herbal medications na pwedeng maka-affect sa atay. So, wala pa po kasi sa ngayon na napoprove na mga effective na liver cleanser, so to speak.
Yeah, so do not try it. Baka imbes na you think makakatulong, makakalala pa eh, no?
makalala.
Yeah, exactly. And
the natural way. Madali
Yeah.
lang naman eh.
The natural way.
Avoid the bad
Fatty foods.
Avoid alcohol.
Eat healthy.
Yes.
Eat
It's as
healthy.
simple as that. Exercise. Hindi na natin kailangan yung mga concoctions na ganyan.
Yeah, exactly.
And I believe those things also come with a price. Medyo mahal din ata.
Yeah, I think so. Yung mga hinahalo na kung ano, no? May gunpowder pa yata.
Kung gagastos tayo, gastos-free exercise and diet na lang. So, yun na lang.
Exercise and diet. And actually, huwag kayong tama rin mag-exercise. Exercise is good for you. Maraming benefits yan eh. Di ba? Pati heart, pati lungs, if you exercise. Okay.
And actually, we were from a cardiologist. They gave a recommendation of effective exercise.
Effective exercise.
Kailangan mo lang ng increase of 30% in your baseline cardiac rate
Okay.
for 30 minutes.
Alright.
3 times a week.
Okay.
Yun na yun.
Pwede naman daw doon sa isang na-attendan ko na with regards sa exercise, mga topics na gano'n. Parang pwede naman daw installment.
Opo.
Yung 30 minutes mong walk, it could be done by installment. Kung mga installment basis. If you walk na ganito ng umaga ng 15 minutes, tapos sunod mo ulit ng hapon ng 15 minutes.
So, dapat lang po yung heart rate. Bibilis.
Yeah. Sabi nito isa nag-text, "Hi DJ and the doctors. Nice topic, very informative. Maraming matututunan at napupulot. Sige lang pulutin nyo." Alright.
Huwag yung pulutan na iba.
Didn't say who it's from, but yeah, thank you for texting. Yung ibang message is more or less yun na rin eh. Nasagot na rin ni Doktora yung mga tanong nila. Ayan. So, would you guys like to add anything else? So, what about OCMS? Anything else upcoming or what?
Okay, for OCMS kasi for October, we'll be celebrating the breast cancer awareness
For October.
Awareness month at So meron din po kaming mga activities for breast cancer awareness month, like the regular thing we do at the Techno Park. Na meron kaming walk against breast cancer. Then we have different slogan contests for the different companies who will join.
Okay.
And then we have this balloon releasing activity rin po.
Balloon releasing. All right.
Yun.
Okay.
Well, Doktora, add ko lang po, na Dok, yung complication ng Hepa B to liver cancer, can you enlighten pa a bit of that?
Kasi po yun nga, there is a direct and indirect carcinogenic effect. Kumbaga talaga pong kahit hindi pa nasisira yung atay ng liver cirrhosis, Hepa B pa lang, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng liver cancer. Parang ano po yan di ba, before we were made aware na yung mga spoiled na peanuts, yung aflatoxin, pwedeng mag-cause ng liver cancer. Yung hepatitis B, same ganun din po.
Yung spoiled peanut.
Yun pong, opo.
Fungus kasi yun yung aflatoxin na yun. No? Kasi di ba yung iba pag iniimbak nila yung mga peanuts, parang Doktora, am I right? Pag hindi maganda yung storage ng peanuts, it produces a certain fungus na merong bad health effects sa atin.
Related po ba dyan yung, if you remember in the news, there were certain brands of peanut butters that was
parang
on hot water because of the way it's packed, the way it's prepared and made.
Opo.
Oh, me, oh my. Wow.
So that is why
I love peanut butter pa no?
very important to identify yourselves. So if you are hepatitis B infected, kasi cure ng hepatitis B, of course, brings down your risk to develop liver cancer.
Yeah. Even yung mga nabibili sa na peanuts na sometimes meron kang mapapansin na parang hindi maganda no, hindi
Basta po ang clue daw po yung ibang lasa.
Ibang
Alam
lasa.
naman natin
Yeah.
pag medyo
There are sometimes peanuts that are that taste like, iba.
ingat na lang sa mga mahilig sa peanut.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's actually our message to the listeners na hepatitis B is something that you can cure.
And prevent.
Yes, hepatitis B needs frequent surveillance. Kailangan lang po ng frequent follow-up para
For those
kasi,
who have Hepa B.
yes, if it comes to a point na nagkabukol talaga yung atay dahil sa Hepa B, the smaller kasi yung bukol, mas maaagapan pa. At pag nagamot yung Hepa B, pwedeng hindi na mauwi sa cancer.
Yeah.
Kaya
And-
huwag
Ano ba
mahiya.
po yung yung pwedeng mga test for the monitoring of the
Importante po kasi yung SGPT na tinatawag or yung
SGPT.
ALT. Yes.
That stands for?
That it's quite technical, but
Oh,
anyway,
yeah.
it's a
But
liver
anyway.
enzyme.
Para siyang
Okay.
blood test siya wherein you will see the range of your
Yes,
SGPT level.
it's a liver function test. So, yun.
Alright.
Kailangan yun ma-check and then ultrasound para makita kung may may bukol sa atay na habang maaga, habang maliit pa, pwedeng magawa ng paraan.
Or
Kasi-
even pamamaga, can be seen via ultrasound, tama ba?
Yes, of course.
Kung medyo
With an SGPT, you will also find out kung maga yung atay. So, importante na pag na-identify nyo na yung mga sarili nyo that you're infected, huwag kayong mahiya, gawa ng paraan habang maaga. Kasi pag nasa liver cancer na malaking bukol na o kalat na,
mas na yun.
mas mahirap na yon.
tsaka ang pinaka-importante po is identification of these cases. Kasi kung halimbawa, Hepa B positive ka, and then
Meron kang-
you should know where it came from. I-test ang mga kapatid, i-test ang mga magulang,
Yeah.
para lahat kayo
Partners.
maalagaan. O partners, or kung Hepa B, of course, if you're married, vaccinate your wife, your children, or your husband, your children. Prevention naman talaga.
Kala ko sabihin nyo, leave your wife, leave your... biro lang. Okay. So, ayan po. So, nothing to be worried about, kapag ka may Hepa B ka. Preventable naman, curable.
Curable.
Ayan. Huwag nyo lang hayaang lumala. Ayan. Have yourself checked. Ayan. Consult these doctors that we have here at the station. Oh, by the way, if they want to consult or they want to contact you, where can they find you, Doc?
Ano po, I could be found at Baypoint, James
Pwede
Gordon.
Baypoint,
pwede yung makita
alright.
si Doktora sa Baypoint.
Baypoint at
Alright.
James Gordon Hospital.
Okay.
At Olongapo Doctors Clinic.
Oh, you're everywhere.
I'm everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So,
Ayan.
so anything else you would like to add before we wrap things up in the
I guess yun lang,
Ayokong-
we'd like to thank again the 89.5 AFM. And
The reason I ask, ayokong may makalimutan tayo eh. This is a very good topic. Baka mamaya we missed out something or yeah.
again for the opportunity po to spread our advocacy through this public health information.
Yep.
You have given a time slot for us. No?
Oh, pleasure is ours.
Also to our officer din po siya ng Olongapo City
OCMS.
Medica OCMS, no?
Yeah.
She's our auditor.
Opo.
And gastroenterologist who practices here in Olongapo. Dito rin ba in Manila? You have in Manila?
Yeah.
Yan.
If they want to find out more about the activities, upcoming events of OCMS, do you guys have like maybe a Facebook page?
Yeah,
or
we do have. So yung mga the OCMS members, you are encouraged to please check out our Facebook page for other information, for the other activities. You can participate and join.
Ayan, all right. And how do we find it? What is the keywords to look for?
For the doctor.
Yeah.
Facebook. It's ano lang po, OCM, Olongapo City Medical Society po.
Just
If
type it
we
in.
have naman po other activities that will be for the public, yun,
Pag for the public talaga ina-announce
dito,
na,
ina-announce
ganun.
po,
Okay,
napapa-announce po kami, napapatulong po kami for the info dissemination here
Okay.
at 89.5.
All right.
Ayan.
Okay. So that's about it for this segment of the OCMS on the Morning Brew. Right about now, we need to take the top of the hour station break, and we will be back with more for the Morning Brew. All right. So thank you, Dr. Eve.
Thank you to
Dr. Eve
DJ
Natividad and Dr.
Arl
Manzo.
Manso.
Thank you.
R. Did I get it right?
Yeah, ARL.
A-R-L.
Yes.
A-R-L Manzo.
Hirap
Dr.
po
Al
ipala.
Manzo.
Thank
All
you
right.
for having us po. Thank
Pleasure
you.
is ours. All right, so please stick around. We'll be right back.
Unlike your smartphone, we won't be ruined if you drop us in the pool.
89.5.
Tired of your usual party and hangout place?
But you love to go clubbing with friends. The problem is the sounds on every club you go to irritates and tortures your ears.
The answer is finally here.
Subisa Lounge, Baloy Beach at Shivans Seafront Resort and Hotel.
Subisa Lounge, Beloy Beach at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel.
The first and only bar to offer the best in chill sounds, beach house, and party music within Subic Bay.
Using the latest technology in digital compact speakers that will deliver the most soothing chill and party music to your ears.
Subisa offers the most luscious cocktail drinks, extremely delicious international cuisine,
And most of all, great music. Great music. Great music.
live music mixing from top club DJs of Subic Bay.
Using the latest Pioneer CDJs.
Only at Subisa Lounge, Beloy Beach at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel.
Like us, facebook.com/Subisa Lounge. Watch out for our soft and grand opening.
Subisa Lounge, Beloy Beach at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel.
Good news to all Subic Bay Freeport residents. Experience PLDT Subictel's Fiber. Fiber, home's most powerful broadband. It lets you enjoy high-speed internet. Seamlessly stream blockbuster movies on demand from ClickPlay. And watch Signal Digital TV channels. Choose the fiber plan that's right for your home. All plans comes with fiber voice line and free blockbuster movies on demand from ClickPlay. Available in Binigtagan and Kalayaan areas. Soon in Central Business District areas. For inquiries, please call 252-FIBER. That's 252-342